What's up, everyone? It's the Bamboo Bandit here, bringing another video updates on this game project I've been working on. Just a reminder, this is a complete solo project. I'm working on everything myself, from art to programming, and that's why these videos kind of take a while to come out. New stuff in the game and content like that, it takes quite some time to get added, but even longer if you want the stuff to even be good quality. Anyways, I made some engine stuff and art stuff for this video. It's really cool things. I like it. So here you see this cool ramp thing. It kind of doesn't really match with the rest of the map, but I want to make a transition from these tile-looking things here, less or so usage of these tiles, to more hand-painted stuff like this. But it's going to take some time to transition, but yeah, over here we have a ditch, a similar looking ditch thing with a ladder inside. This ladder will actually change the map, so now you can change maps. You can zoom out, got this cool rock structure. And here I am again going up the ladder. Yeah, so here we have some precise collisions on rocks and this tree stump. I went back and made them more precise rather than circles and squares like the last video. Here I've actually added sword animations. I've completed them in every direction, so that took quite some time, but it's done, and I like it. I'm probably going to change some things here and there, but for now it's pretty nice. And I got fireballs. I really like how the fireballs turned out. So I used Photoshop actually to make these hand-painted animations. So yeah, Photoshop can make animations, and pretty well actually. The explosions here are a work in progress because they're all flat colors and stuff right now, but I'll eventually paint them to look more like the fireballs, like fluid-like. And we have here the charge skill, which is blue by default, but you can actually light it up using a fireball, and it'll turn orange and explode at the end. So I love it. But if you can tell, the explosions will light up a little bit. Now I'm going to make some dudes here, and I'm going to make some more dudes, so red and green will fight each other. And using these skills, it looks like a freaking battlefield, I don't know. Once I add more skills, it won't look as samey, of course. It'll look pretty nice in the end, but for now, yeah, here we go. Yeah, a little updates on where my engine's at. So I've added totally throughout this project 35,000 lines of code, but I've also removed 15,000 lines of code. So I have around 20,000 lines of code so far. That just gives you an idea of, like, hey, game development is pretty, not even just game development, programming entirely. You have to be okay with working a lot and then having to remove a lot of that work and redo it even better. And that's what I've been going and doing in the engine, is trying to make sure it's the best it can be, if it can run fast, if it can handle a lot of things. And yeah, pretty much. So, yeah. I want the skills to be kind of dynamic like this, you know, like charges and fireball, stuff like that. I want the combat to be intuitive and reactive, but I want feedback on that. Like, tell me if you think it's a cool thing. I don't know. I like the idea. What's another thing to talk about? I know in the engine here, this number, if I change it to 100, I'm going to have 100 attacks per second. That's what that number is right there. For the player anyways. And it actually turns out to be quite the thing, quite amusing. Just a funny thing to play around with. You have magic missiles that look freaking crazy. Yeah, that's it really. If you guys like where this project is headed, please subscribe and just, I guess, give me some feedback. I would love to see what I'm doing a little weirdly, what looks weird, and just try to fix them. Because I want this product to be good, you know? I want to put in the time to do that. So, yeah, thanks for staying tuned. And if you want to see more live development, please follow my Twitch. I'll put the description in the comments, or the description. The link in the description, sorry. Just visit that. I like to stream often, some game dev, art assets, coding, stuff like that. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to head out now. Thanks for watching.